If you've ever installed an app from the Jobber app marketplace and had no idea what to do next, this video is for you. In the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Jobber with Adhesion Connect in two different formats. First, directly from Jobber, and second, directly from Adhesion Connect if you already have an account. So let's go. The first option is inside Jobber itself. You're going to head to the app marketplace where I am here, and you're going to search for Adhesion Connect up here at the top. Or you're going to scroll down and find Adhesion Connect here. Once you click on Adhesion Connect, you'll have the option to connect. And if you don't have an Adhesion Connect account yet, this is the easiest way to do it because it will take you directly to the sign up page. Simply allow access and you'll be redirected to the Adhesion Connect sign up page. All of your information directly from Jobber will be pre-filled. You can see I've got my first name, last name, company name, email address, so forth and so on. You'll just simply need to confirm your mobile number and select a password. That's it. In under a minute or so, you're successfully connected to Adhesion Connect. From here, you can explore the opportunities to work with our webhooks or directly with our Zapier app. You can either go to your dashboard or click directly here to generate an API key. I cover that in a separate video. The second option is to connect directly from the Adhesion Connect app. You'll see a Connect with Jobber button. You can get there one of two ways. From your dashboard, you can simply click Manage under the Jobber status section here, or you can go to Settings, Connections, and you should see here you don't have any Jobber locations connected at this time. So simply click New Jobber Connection. You'll be taken directly to Jobber. If you're not already logged into Jobber, you will need to log in, but here I'm already logged into Jobber. Simply click Allow Access. It'll take just a second to establish that connection, and then you will receive a message letting you know that your connection has been completed or refreshed. Again, from here you have two options. You can either go to the dashboard or you can create an API key, which again I cover in a separate video. That's it. Once you're connected, you've got access to over 50 triggers and actions directly in Zapier with our custom Zapier app, and access to 26 different webhooks that you can use to integrate Jobber with all of your different applications you use. If you're not already an Adhesion Connect customer yet, check out the link in the description to start your 21-day free trial. No credit card required, and check out our other videos for tips and tricks on using the different triggers and actions available through our Zapier app. Thanks for watching.